Yeah, there's a helicopter right behind it. That's got to be the Ford truck. Here we go.
It's about time.
There's a car next to it, too.
No, I can't see right.
Wait. Did you?
I tried to move.
No, what's
That's it. That's what I've been waiting on.
okay?
That's pretty badass. That was good.
So it was the other side. I thought they were coming down here.
Damn.
Damn.
No, it's right off the.
I think I missed it.
Look, they got a good view over there. No fair. Bitches.
Trying to move.
Okay.
Hey, tires too.
Yeah. Is that the one gonna blow up?
I think I missed it. Trying to move around. Is it gonna explode?
You're still watching it.
Oh, you gotta get out.
Is that like
That's a stunt double. It's probably the Rock or something. Stunt double. I think
the rock stunt double?
Probably. Yeah, he's got one here. Too.
God, I hate they didn't do it on the side.
Get him on there.
It ain't him. You broke his leg.
No, yeah, it's a stunt double.
You're
Yeah,
recording.
yeah.
That's all it's gonna do.
Right? I mean,
What a fact.
It's nice.
waited all day for this. They got a good view. They got people over there. It's messed up. Is that it?
I thought it was going to be.
Because it's already on its side.
I done seen a whole 18.
That's the most exciting part of it.
I could go home and take a shower in the house.
That's, yeah. I mean, what the hell?
Yeah, I thought that you were supposed to.
Ew. Is he a big dude or something?
Yeah, it's big.
Big old fat dude. That's dead weight. Started
I
choking.
got right behind him, right there. And I just,
Yeah, that's what it is. So that made it look
How
like
much? How much muscle you put behind it, Brian?
all of it.
All of
Gyrating.
it. It was hard.
Hell yeah.
Did you break anything? I bet you broke some stuff.
I hope not.
So who got choked?